What's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nay, and in today's video it's gonna be super fun. We're gonna be doing an unboxing. So I just made a big purchase from ColourPop, and I've low-key been sleeping on ColourPop because I haven't tried any of their eyeshadow palettes. Yeah, if you want to see what I got from ColourPop, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you're new, and turn on that little notification bell so that way you can be notified when I post my vids. Alright, yeah, let's just jump right on into it.
Hi.
Alright. My shirt says girl power. I got my little helper here. Solomon, how old are you? 3! Let's open the box, shall we? Should we open it?
Yeah.
Okay. Want to show the people what's in the box?
Yeah.
A whole bunch of... Look, you love this stuff. This is the little... Pull the bubble wrap out.
Bubble up. Yeah. Bubble up.
Oh, okay. Everything is falling out. All right. Well, thanks for the help, Solomon. You can play with that, and then we can show everybody what we got. Okay, the camera is slanted. This is what happens when you break your tripod. And we're going old school. Well, my nephew is playing with this lovely bubble wrap that ColourPop sent us. We are going to dive in. It is hot in here. Jeez. Whew. It doesn't pop, huh? Here, look, try these ones. These ones have the little poppy ones. These are better. I got a lot. I can't even hold it all. Oh. Got a lot of stuff. We got a lot of stuff here from ColourPop, so yeah. Get started.
Put this.
Remember, twist it. So I'm gonna start off with how I do my makeup. I placed this huge haul because I actually never tried ColourPop shadows, and since they came out with their no filter foundation, I said why not, let's just order a bunch of stuff and do a full face of ColourPop. So I have enough for a full face here. The only thing I didn't get was concealer because they didn't have my color. So other than that, we got a full face. So big thumbs up if you want to see a full face of ColourPop makeup. Yeah, I think that would be super fun. Plus, I'm so stoked to use some of the stuff that I got because it's so freaking beautiful. Like, I cannot wait to show you guys. Well, I've seen pictures online, haven't seen it yet because I'm waiting for my first impression for you. Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna go in order as I'm gonna do the order I do my makeup. Does that make sense? Does it, Nadine? I don't know. Okay. Well, the first thing that I got was the Brow Boss eyebrow pencil. I've never tried their brow stuff either. Nadine, what have you tried from ColourPop besides lips? And shout out to the dog barking and my mom yelling. Hello, guys. And now people are deciding to cut the grass outside. Cool. So let's just try to ignore all of that. And so that I got, it is in the shade, what shade is this actually? Dark brown. So let's see. Ooh, it's actually really small. That's nice. Pretty dark and pigmented. So we'll see how it performs on the eyebrows. Next, this Brow Boss gel. So let's see, this little guy. I've heard pretty good reviews about this, so I'm excited. Plus, I need a brow gel right now. I just need everything right now. It's been a minute, you know. Oh, this is cool. Shadow palettes. So I haven't purchased anything from ColourPop for a minute because I had my surgery going on and all of that, and financially, you know, I wasn't able to splurge on makeup like I wanted to. And now that I'm back at work, I said, you know what, Nadine, get that full face from ColourPop. So that's what I did. All right. So since I haven't tried any of their eyeshadows, I love Kathleen Lights, so I had to pick up the Dream Street palette. I've seen this. It looks so gorgeous. So I can't wait. I'm so happy that it's mine. And yeah, probably gonna like play with the eyes. Well, play with the eyes. Play with this on my eyes tomorrow. Nadine, can you talk? Absolutely not, apparently. Okay. Oh, how gorgeous this is. Ew, don't mind my nails because we need to get that situated. Pop just launched their Soul and Mar palettes, so I'm so excited because these guys are brand spanking new and they look super hot fire on Instagram. So yeah, I'm so excited. Let's do the blue one first, but I love blue on my eyes, so I'm so excited to play with this guy. Oh my god. Another video. We could do two Nadine, hold these right, jeez. We could do 2 looks in one. Yeah. Another thumbs up or comment down below if you're... Oh, awesome. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Soul palette. So let's see this. Solomon's back here, popping away. Oh, cool. Just throw it at the camera. Nice. Solomon. Are you doing some ASMR right now? Okay, let's not knock the camera down. Let's leave it! People are gonna see this on YouTube, maybe, if they click my video. Anyways, this is the Soul palette. So cute. Super cute packaging, just like the Mar one. So this is what they look like. Oh, they're twins. They're so cute. This guy looks like... Oh. Fire.
Pink one.
Which one do you like more?
This one.
He likes the blue one more, of course. Let's do face products because I got... They were having this like complexion deal, so I decided to pick up the No Filter. Love to swatch things, don't you? Alright, so we got the No Filter foundation, No Filter setting powder, sheer press powder. I'm not sure if this one's going to be my color because it looked light, the one that it automatically chose for me on there, so I picked the darker one, so hopefully that works, but if not, we'll figure out a use for it. Okay, here, because I can't even see you. Should we do a look with the blue one? Mm-hmm. What about the orange one? Can you be careful with that, though, because I don't want you to break it.
Nanny, open it.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
Ooh, this is the foundation. It actually looks kind of light, so is that No Filter sheer pressed powder, which I feel like might be too dark for me.
Come on.
The green one. All right, Solomon's swatching. Yay. The next couple things that I got are face products. So I got the Up the Ante Duo and the Mermaid Glow Duo. So this guy is a bronzer and a highlighter. Super cute packaging. Solomon's trying to swatch on my arm. Brand new makeup, and I'm trying to swatch my arm with that Mar palette. So super pigmented. Just wanted to let you know. Alright, so now that we got those swatches wiped off our arm, let's get back into it. So this is the Up the Ante Duo that I got. Solomon's still wiping this, okay. Loving that bronzer. This is a blush and a highlight duo, I believe. So this one looked so gorgeous online, so I cannot wait to put on my face. Are you showing them? You want to see it?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Mm.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
The big reveal. Ready? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you think I'm gonna like it?
Mm-hmm.
Should we show them?
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I love 3 more things in this haul. Let's get it poppin'. Shall we? Shall we? Shall we?
Daddy.
You're supposed to say yeah.
Yeah.
So, ready? I'm gonna say we're gonna get things poppin', shall we? And you're gonna say, yeah, okay? We're gonna get things poppin', shall we?
Yeah.
Alright! A primer and a setting spray. Can't see because the glare. Yeah, so they're called All-Star Matte and Blur Primer and All-Star Face Setting Spray. This is cute. I love this baby pink color. Wow. I like this. I can't wait to put it on my face. The next thing, oh, how funny. It literally says, put me on your face. Put me on your face. Over here trying to like get me to put that foundation on. He's like taking...
Nay.
Solomon, do you love hauls just as much as I love hauls?
Mm-hmm.
He does, he said. Ooh, this is a cute little setting spray. So this is a setting spray. I got the Shayla X ColourPop Lip Gloss in Neat Freak because everybody was talking about it.
No,
and
nothing there.
there's nothing in there because you took out everything from the boxes.
No, you did.
You did.
No, you did.
You did.
No, you did.
Anyways, this is what the lip gloss looks like. So gorgeous. It has like little gold and pink and purpley flakes of glitter in it. Most satisfying. I wish everybody was not playing things in the living room and then this would be total ASMR, but it's not. Thanks for ruining that. Yeah, no nothing. Okay, let's try this.
No, nothing. No, nothing.
Yeah, no nothing.
No, nothing.
Clearly, we're not an ASMR channel.
No, nothing.
Well, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already and join the Peace Posse. Yeah. Yeah, join the Peace Posse. All right. That was weird. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, we will see you. Peace Posse. All right. Hit that little bell. And yeah, we'll see you later, alligator. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.